On December 20th, 2024, after multiple 911 calls, Mountain Home, Arkansas police were dispatched to a local apartment complex, receiving reports that a man was out of control. When officers arrived, they found him unsteady on his feet and unwilling to cooperate. What was supposed to be a quiet night of football with friends quickly transformed when one man's temper and a bottle of Crown Royal changed everything. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
It's grand for it. This guy. How are you?
I'm great. How you doing?
Well, I'm here. How much have you had to drink today? No, you're not going back in there. Step out.
Get out. Get out!
44 PD is log 21, Taser deployed.
Get out of the car! You're gonna get again! You're gonna get again!
Get out!
Get in!
Just get out!
Get out!
Okay, I got it.
I didn't.
Get out!
Get out!
I did, bro.
You're gonna get again!
I didn't did it.
Here, pull! Give me a look. Now turn around! On your turn around!
Hands! Give me your hands now! Give me your hands!
God damn, man.
Yep.
I didn't do nothing. That's how you feel?
You had too much to drink, buddy.
I don't have nothing to drink, sir.
I can smell it on you. Oh, you're double lock 'em.
Yeah. Alright, but
Stop moving your hands. We can't help you if you keep moving. I don't think we got that one, did we?
Let me search my quick car.
but that I have nothing on me. Thank you, Lord.
Get up!
Hey, roll to your side. Roll towards us. Prop your leg out.
Stand up!
Come on, prop.
Stand up!
Come on, use them legs.
Stand up! Stand up!
Come on, just stand up.
You just stabbed me for nothing.
Come on, Dave, you attacked me. You can
I didn't attack you, bro.
tackle me and you
Okay.
tackled me in there.
Well, this isn't gonna help.
Okay. Well, he beat the shit out of me inside. He's a big guy, so.
Come on, just stand
I'll
up.
definitely put that on you, bro.
No, let's just put him in back to your car and get him in jail. You got a full cage?
So,
It's not fun, is it?
were you guys in the same apartment?
No, he doesn't even live here. And I live
Okay.
here, and I have children.
Okay. So how do you know him?
I don't know him. Some random guy tackled the shit out of me. I don't like that. Dude, I probably got bruises. He tackled me and beat the shit out of me.
You said the name David.
That's all I know, because
That's all you
someone
know.
was saying. Somebody said it. That's why I know that.
Okay.
That's the only reason I know that.
He has a knife in
That's
his
all I
other,
know.
where? The other side. Can you see it?
Yeah.
This is I ain't trying nothing, none of that. Here you go. Here you go.
Okay. So were you guys in the apartment when this
I
happened?
came outside. I couldn't even make it back
When he
inside.
attacked you?
Yes, I came outside.
You were outside, out here in the parking lot.
Yes, I came outside because I heard some commotion. Then he just ran after me like it was me who did something.
Get up. Quit acting like this.
What?
Was he just irate,
Yes.
yelling in
It's
general?
almost like,
Or
yes.
was there somebody else?
He was just mad. He just showed up mad.
Okay.
Get up, dude.
I'm up.
Get yourself in
I'm
there.
up, bro.
Push with your
Stand
legs,
up.
buddy. Push with your legs. Stand up.
Come on. Quit working against us.
I'm not working nothing. I'm not moving nothing, bro. I'm not doing nothing, big dog. I'm not doing nothing for you, big dog.
Here,
I
can
ain't
you
done
pull this?
nothing.
Can you pull it?
Holding him.
I ain't done
my bad.
nothing, that's big bro. I ain't done nothing.
Hey, swing your legs in. Come on. You ain't doing nothing but causing more
I
trouble.
ain't done nothing. I ain't trying to fight you. I ain't done. I ain't done nothing.
No, you didn't listen and you fled into the
I ain't done less than nothing. Whenever I sled, I've never done nothing.
Did he leave anything in here?
I don't think so.
Did he have ID or anything on him?
Maybe here.
This is not his car. He just got into it because it was the first one that's unlocked. There's just a random attendant.
You know where this guy lives?
They live above me.
I don't think.
He's a friend of mine.
I don't think so.
Who is he? David O'Neill.
David
a friend,
O'Neill?
Yeah, he's a friend of mine. We brought him over here. We were having a good time. He drank way too much liquor.
Yeah.
And then started getting irate, like trying to tackle me. And I'm like, no, Dave, we're not doing this. We're friends. We're on the same team. And then he's got all irate out here and wanted to fight me. And
I'll go get him dropped off. You guys finish this up?
yes, sir.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
We'll be back for charges.
You got his ID.
You got his wallet.
I say I didn't see an ID in there, but there's so much paper and
David
nonsense.
O'Neill, that was his name.
And I tried to calm him, like all my 15-year-old kid's inside doing this.
13's 15, one male, be 19 in the jail.
He put a hole in the wall. My living room is destroyed.
You want to press charges on that, or?
I mean, no, I don't. He's a good friend of mine. I ain't gonna press no charges. Whatever he gets for out here, I'm not gonna press no charges against him. I can fix
So this
it.
guy
But
said that he was actually physically touched.
so was I.
Like,
I mean, I was physically.
he may.
I was.
You don't
He
want to
may
do
look-
anything.
No, he
Yeah,
caught me in the jail.
Who was?
What?
He touched which one?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Are you want to press charges on him?
Do you have any visible marks? That's
I
what we
don't.
need to. That's
I
what we
really
need to
don't.
How did he touch you?
I mean, he tackled me inside his apartment and beat the shit out of me, like in my stomach and my back, and just went to town on me. And then I jumped over the rail, and that's when I called you guys.
And I kept him
I
over
was
here
like-
and tried to keep him right here.
I mean, it went on for like.
I don't know, probably
long
20
time.
minutes, 30 minutes.
I'm surprised no one else called, to be honest. But then he went after me, and then we're just like, hanging out.
And then I kept getting in between them. Then he attacked him. I would just get my vape.
He was just.
Like I said,
I mean,
he was on TikTok Live. He asked if I could come pick him up. I went and picked him up. He was fine. He was fine for a while.
Yeah.
He was drinking that Crown Royal. He drank a ton of that.
Yeah.
I think.
Well, shit, you drinking Crown Royal, you're
I
looking
mean,
for a fight right no there. shit.
Yeah, he's on liquor.
We're there watching the.
So then, like, we're watching the football game,
Yeah.
Rocky, and he got on all fours. He's like, "You ready? You're playing with my emotions." I was like, "Bro, no, we're not. We're on the same team." And then, like, he tried to come after me, and then he come at, like, I thought they were just playing. And then at first, like, he was like, "No, we're not playing." So I broke that up, and then he come after me, and I just like tapped him over the couch, and he's like still over top of me, and I just kind of like dodged it. And then he started going back at them and come out here, like, trying to keep separating it. And then I got in between it. He punched me
My kids
multiple
are over
times.
here. We're playing around.
Yeah.
We're having fun.
Multiple times. He caught me in the
He
jaw.
just.
And then I wanted to like
turned into too
fight
much.
him back, but I didn't want to.
Honestly, like I don't know. We're sitting there watching your first playoff game. Notre Dame.
Well, it was out here when he smoked me.
He just went.
But I didn't want. And that's the thing. Is like I was trying to, but I wanted to like fight him.
I think he peed.
This
Then he turned it on.
Peed on that blanket when you guys tased him.
Oh yeah.
Because I looked to see if anything was dropped or left or anything. But there's a blanket that he was sitting on, and it's clearly peed on. Like,
He could have spilled something too.
There's some liquid on the side of
He
it.
could have thrown up on it.
As soon as I step out to go eat my dang dinner, Taser deploy. What did he come at you?
No, he wouldn't get out of the car. So then he was like spider monkeying in there. I'm like, all right, doot 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 doot. I don't want to have 4 left, so 6. The first 3 didn't even do anything.
God bless.
It hit his shirt. It bounced off.
so they live up here.
None of them.
It was just an unlocked door.
It took 6 to get an effective.
The first 3, I hit him in the belly,
Uh-huh.
and then it was not until I hit him in the arms where.
Yeah.
You got everything?
All
right.
Bleeding.
I don't know. My jaw hurts pretty bad, but.
Well,
David chilled out.
we'll head out of here. Appreciate it. Thank y'all.
Oh,
You're welcome. Call us anytime.
You all have a good evening, or a better one.
13's out of the jail.
What's that?
That one.
Is that
Yep.
fighter or just drunk?
Just drunk. Uncooperative. He really wasn't fighting.
Gotcha.
David, wake up. Went to Baxter County Jail, man.
Sir,
Can you walk for me this time so we don't have to drag you?
dude,
Make sure you don't get hurt.
you already hurt me enough.
Yeah. Pull your pants up for you, bro.
I'm trying.
I got you. No, you're good. I got
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
you. Yeah. Get you in here. We
Sir,
got some taser darts in you. No. You're good. You pull us up real fast. Good? Got any more on you, man? Right
Yep,
there.
one more there.
All right, buddy.
Got
Got some leads wrapped on
one
you.
right here in the back.
Turn that way for me just a little bit, Dave.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
What's your last name, David?
Yeah,
O'Neill. I recognized you. I knew David. I just could not think of your last name.
yeah. We just had a few.
You 2 minutes tonight?
No, I cannot do for didn't.
Come on back this way, buddy.
Go that way.
Watch your step. I got your other shoe in my car, so. Yeah, everything should just be in the shoe. Oh, you're good. Let's keep walking this way. Follow her, okay?
David O'Neill was arrested and charged with public intoxication, disorderly conduct, 3 counts of third-degree battery, and resisting arrest. His bond was set at $2,580. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.